Hello everyone, how you doing today? If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking with me. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you a very powerful smoothie recipe. This smoothie recipe contains high amounts of vitamin C. It will help you flush out all the bad fats, the excess toxins. It will give you a glowing skin. It will improve your metabolism. It aids digestion. With that being said, let's get right into the video, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your family and friends so we all stay healthy. So the first ingredient we'll be using for this recipe is beetroot. This is what it looks like. Beetroot is high in vitamin C. It helps in regulating your blood pressure. It helps in maintaining your blood sugar level. It detoxifies your system. It cleanses the liver, and you know a clean liver is a glowing skin, literally. Flushes out bad toxins. So this is the first ingredient we'll be using, but we are going to peel off the skin of the beetroot before we are going to use it. So I've finished peeling off the skin of the beetroot. This is what it looks like. It's red in color. So we're going to slice it into little bits so it's easier to blend. It's just a small sized beetroot. So we are setting it aside. The second ingredient we'll be using for this recipe is mango. Mango cleanses your skin from inside out. It helps you glow. It increases your iron level and your calcium level. It's high in powerful antioxidants and it aids digestion. I'm using one mango here. I already peeled off the skin off camera. So this is what it looks like. The third ingredient we'll be using is pineapple. Pineapple are loaded with nutrients. It contains disease-fighting antioxidants. It's rich in vitamin C, and you know vitamin C enhances your skin. It enhances weight loss. It burns tummy fat. It contains a major enzyme called bromelain that improves the digestive system and helps flush out toxins. So I'm using a quarter pineapple for this recipe. So we're just going to cut it into tiny bits. Setting it aside. And the last ingredient we'll be using for this recipe is water. We'll be using a cup of clean water. So the first ingredient we'll be putting in our blender is our mango. Then we'll put our pineapple. We'll put our beetroot. And lastly, we'll be adding our cup of water. Now it's time to blend. So after blending it into a very fine and smooth consistency, it's ready to drink now. So let's taste it. I love the color. Let's taste it. This smoothie is very, very delicious and it will keep you very full for a long time. I would suggest to take it in the morning, and let me know if you're going to try out this recipe. If you found this useful, please remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on other yummy recipes that will be coming your way. Remember to share this recipe with your family and friends so we all stay healthy. Bye.